Hi everyone, Darko here. It's Monday afternoon here in Sweden, Monday the 16th of November, and today me and Vic will be holding a promo webinar at 3 p.m. Eastern, where we actually reveal all the adjustment, enhancement and changes that we will be doing in Coach's Corner for 2021, which will start basically from tomorrow. So make a long story short, I don't want to say too much, but Vic will be starting his own scalping service for New York session, and I will be having my own day trading service for London session. And there are obviously much more to say about what's coming around the corner right now. So this is actually a webinar that you don't afford to miss. So if you cannot be there for some reason, make sure at least that you sign up for the recording. We will send it to you and you can watch it when you have time, so you don't miss any opportunities, because we will be offering a webinar special pricing, and we are making the service affordable for everyone. So hopefully you like these changes and you show up on the webinar today. And like I said, it's 3 p.m. Eastern, and if you don't have time to be there, make sure that you sign up for the link that is below this video, and watch the recording, and hopefully I see you in class. That's it. I'm preparing for the webinar right now, so thank you so much for listening, and I hope to see you soon. Cheers.